Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you tips and features on the Google Pixel 5. These can also be found on other Pixels as well, but seeing as I've got the Pixel 5 here, I'm going to show you some cool tips and features. And some of you may have obviously seen these tips and features before, but I know there's a lot out there, so you might not even realise they're actually there. So let's jump into the first one. This one's called Now Playing. You need to go to the settings on the Pixel 5, go to Sound and Vibration, scroll down to Now Playing. Click that and then click Show Songs on Lock Screen. When you turn this on, any song that's being played will be displayed on the lock screen. And you also see it's in the notification bar at the top if you scroll down. So this is a really cool feature and sort of does away with the Shazam app. So the second one, this is more of a tip really. By default, for some reason, this Pixel 5 and other phones come with battery percentage turned off, which I think is really annoying. So all you need to do is go to Settings, go to Battery, and then halfway down you'll see battery percentage, turn that on, and the battery percentage will pop up at the top right hand corner. Easy. So the next feature, which could annoy some people, but some people might find it quite useful, is basically called Suggested Apps Suggestions. So all you need to do, keep your finger on the home screen, go to Home Settings, go down to Suggestions, and then make sure you check Suggestions on Home Screen. And once you've done that, you'll see at the bottom, it will put down your most used apps there at the bottom, so the phone will learn what apps you're using the most and put them down there for quick access. Some people might like that, but then obviously some people will say it takes up too much room on the screen. So another feature which you have to access via Home Settings is Auto Screen Rotate on the home screen if you need that feature. Hold down on the screen, click Home Settings, allow home screen rotation. If you click that, come back to home, rotate your display and home screen rotated. Me personally wouldn't have any use for this, but it's still a pretty neat feature. Now a new feature which has just been introduced to Google, Google Assistant, it's called the Hom feature, or Hum This Song. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you now exactly how this works. Have a look at this. What's this song? Sounds
like it might be one of these.
And you're absolutely right. 9 to 5, Dolly Parton. What's this song? Sounds
like it might be one of these.
It is. It's the bottom one. It's not the top one. Holiday Medley, but it is there. What's this song? Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright.
Sounds like it might be one of these.
It is. It's Silent Night. Wicked. So that is a superb feature. That'll be obviously available on most smartphones with obviously Google Assistant on there. But obviously that does away with Shazam. There has been times where I've had songs in my head. What's that song called? Obviously you can't hum to Shazam, but as you can see, accuracy was pretty 99% on this. I also sang to it as well. So that's good. So this next one, you need to download an app for this to work, a Google app called Voice Access. So get that installed. This allows you to control pretty much everything on your phone. Have a look how it works. Okay, so Voice Access is installed. When you open that, you can talk to the smartphone and you can also say numbers. Each number will correspond to an icon or an action on the smartphone. So I'm going to take a selfie and upload a picture on Instagram. Open camera. 5. 3. Open Instagram. 26. 5. 3. 3. 4. Testing out some new pixel features. Space. Hashtag Pixel 5. 4. There we go, all hands free. It didn't like the hashtag Pixel 5, it put a space after the pixel, but very, very cool feature. So the next tip is a camera shortcut basically, and the one following that I think is a little bit pointless. Some people could probably drop their phone doing it as well, and it doesn't always work first time. So this one is 2-in-1. If you double click the power button on the side, it opens up the camera. Now this second one, I personally think is pointless. Now you can either come down here and press once to go on selfie, or you have to really shake the crap out of it. There we go. For selfie camera. Pointless. Just come down here and press that. So the last feature is the finger swipe notification. Some people will love this, but it will get on people's nerves because you can accidentally catch the fingerprint sensor and drag your notifications down when you don't want to. So go into settings, go down to system, gestures, and the top one, swipe fingerprint for notifications. Turn this on, and then if you drag your finger down your fingerprint sensor, you can drag the menu down and put it back up again. That's it guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Pixel 5 tips and features. Like I said, a lot of people may already know where these are, but there's a vast majority that probably don't. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please give that video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel as well, that'd be a huge help. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.